Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be working on a small rope bowl using some blue ribbon that I had left over. So come along and let me show you how I put this together. I start out by making a small circle with my clothesline rope, and you want to make sure you sew that down real well before you go any further. I am using a zigzag stitch and I have it on the widest width. Once I get it to about 2.5 inches, I will start adding the ribbon. If you're enjoying this video, I hope you'll hit the like button and consider subscribing. I really like the look of the blue ribbon that I am going to be using today. The easiest way I found to do this ribbon was to wrap it completely around the rope and hold on to it and then sew it down. This is where I begin the over-under method, but for a different look, you could leave it all on the top of the rope, so it would just show the inside, nothing on the outside. Or the opposite, you could do all under. That's what's so fun about this. You make it the way you like it. once you get the bowl as big as you want, that is where you cut the ribbon and get ready to end the bowl. And then once I know for sure I am done with the rope, I will cut it off. I will put a piece of tape on there, and when I cut it off, I'm going to cut 3/4 of the tape off, leaving just 1/4 of an inch remaining. And then I will take it back to the sewing machine and sew that little piece down. But first, you want to decide how much ribbon you want left. You could keep going more, build it taller, or just cut it off short. This is where you design it. I left a little bit. I thought it would be fun to have it kind of hang over. I really like using the snaps for the ending of my rope bowls because there's so many different colors, and it's got a little thing there that pokes into the bowl. So with a little bit of glue, it stays put and it looks like a button. I was going to sew this down, but decided I'll just make a little circle here and then I can add the ribbon over the top. I wanted to put a little bit of glue on the end of that to keep it from fraying, and I wanted to tuck it down and then glue it. This was such a fun project to do. I hope you'll hit the like button and consider subscribing. And at the end of this video, I will put up 2 of my other videos if you'd like to click on them. Thanks so much for watching.